Starting around 30 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO especially sort of is exchanging at $0.5324 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.88% in essentially absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Polis basically has a very especially complete market cap of $125,873,416, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,559,774 in a by and large significant manner. This especially makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, beautiful positioning at 262 in the digital money market in a truly kind of enormous manner. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO basically be especially worth in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Is Star Atlas DAO in every way that really matters, wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Polis cost really outperform its untouched height, which generally is genuinely huge? These especially are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future, showing how starting around 30 November 2023, Star Atlas DAO truly is exchanging at $0.5324 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.88% in truly most recent 1 hour in a kind of large manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Expectation 2023, as per the Star Atlas DAO Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023, the Polis cost basically essentially is supposed to sort of cross a quite normal value level of $0.5236, the normal kind of truly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the by and large in every way that really matters. Current year ought to explicitly be $0.4996, or so they all things considered, thought. Besides, Polis can really arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.5380, certainly further appearance how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what fundamentally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO truly be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Estimate November 2023. The Star Atlas DAO, Polis, cost for November 2023 may generally arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0.4603, while the very beautiful greatest gauge cost certainly is around $0.5178, or so they generally thought. The genuinely normal cost for Polis sort of is generally anticipated to in every practical sense reach $0.5034 in November 2023, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking amazingly. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly is supposed to for the most part be at around an especially least of $0.4996, so Star Atlas DAO, Polis, Value Conjecture November 2023. The Star Atlas DAO, Polis, cost for November 2023 may generally sort of arrive at in every practical sense least worth of $0.4603, while the extremely greatest determined cost basically is around $0.5178, which is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can for the most part arrive at an actually quite limit of $0.5380, with the really normal cost of $0.5236 in United States dollars, which by and large is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO extremely past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost generally has shown a kind of good increment of 10.17% in the especially truly most recent 24 hours, exhibiting that the especially normal cost for Polis by and large is truly anticipated to really reach $0.5034 in November 2023 in a very enormous way. From certainly most recent 7 days, the Polis generally truly was in especially excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 61.53%, showing how these for the most part are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future. Exhibiting how starting around 30 November 2023 Star Atlas DAO generally certainly is exchanging at $0.5324 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.88% in kind of in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a reasonably essentially enormous manner, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO for the most part has shown areas of strength for certainly all plans. Nonetheless, after the looking at the in every practical sense, current cost with sort of beyond 30 days cost history, it generally is seen that Star Atlas DAO really has expanded 52.483% in its worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The very normal pretty kind of least cost for the month generally is $0.2320, while essentially greatest truly normal cost in a real sense was $0.2530, exhibiting the way in which Polis fundamentally has an especially all-out market cap of $125,873,416, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,559,774, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This suggests that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to in every practical sense, sort of your arrangement of coins for extremely long haul, especially further appearance how nonetheless, after the contrasting the especially current cost and fundamentally all things considered, recent days cost history. It truly is seen that Star Atlas DAO especially has expanded 52.483% in its worth, or so they essentially especially thought in a kind of large manner. Star Atlas DAO Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will really be Star Atlas DAO extremely in every practical sense, worth and the Polis cost basically essentially is determined to by and large arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.5380, with truly least cost of $0.4996 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting how also Polis can arrive at an actually really most extreme value level of $0.5380. Sort of additional appearance how in the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO essentially sort of be for the most part kind of worth in 2023? Star's Atlas DAO essentially have a future, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO for the most part generally has an exceptional especially potential to by and large arrive at new levels, showing how the very normal cost for Polis sort of is somewhat in every way that really matters, anticipated to especially reach $0.5034 in November 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. It for the most part in a real sense is estimate that Polis will increment in esteem, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will all things considered be Star Atlas DAO really worth in 2023, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can generally in a real sense hit the all things considered, practically the greatest cost of $2.58 till 2030, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to in every practical sense dive right in and contribute. Or so they generally thought.